Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today what we are going to be making is a sunscreen. We are going to be making a mineral sunscreen today. I've got a lot of people asking me to make videos on sunscreen, especially because the summers have started, and mineral sunscreen is one of the best and safest for anyone to use. Also, I get a lot of questions of people asking me to share the entire formulation that I make during these videos in the description box. So I would just like to clarify that as well in my today's video. What is possible for me to share with you all, the basic formulations, the free formulations, I always do that. You will always find it in the description box. But for the more advanced ones, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number for the workshops that we have, because it's not possible for me to share those formulations in the description box. So those who are interested in learning these advanced formulations, you all can join the paid workshops. Alright, so we'll quickly start our today's mineral sunscreen. For that, here I have my water phase and my oil phase. Here in my water phase I have taken my water and glycerin, and here in the oil phase I have my emulsifiers. I have taken some carrot seed oil, which is very good as a sunscreen agent. I have taken some thickeners, emulsifiers. So these are all the ingredients that I have here in my oil phase. Also there are some emollients as well. I have used a little bit of CCTG. Ingredients, I will be giving you all ingredients of the basic sunscreen formulation in the description box. For those who would like to use that and try to make a sunscreen, if you all want to give it a try, you all can. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to heat both these phases, and then we will make the sunscreen. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated both the phases here. This is my oil phase which is heated, and this is my water phase. Now I will quickly go ahead and add the water phase into my oil phase, and we will give it a blend. Okay, so now this is a mixture here. After combining, this is how it looks, and we will go ahead and add our preservative to this. I have gone ahead and added phenoxyethanol as my preservative. And now I'll go ahead and add my UV filters to this. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add my UV filters. For that I have taken my titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, which I have already weighed out here. And I'm going to go ahead and add that to my mixture. And now we'll go ahead and gently combine it with the liquid. Okay, so after mixing the UV filters with the liquid, you can see this is after around 10 minutes of mixing. It has got a lovely cream consistency, if you all can see this. And this is our mineral sunscreen, which can be used by kids, which can be used by elder people. Anyone can use this very safely. It does not contain any chemicals, and I will also show you it. Although it has titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, it does not leave any white casting on the skin. So it is very, very gentle, mild, and doesn't leave any white casting. So this is it with our sunscreen that we have made here today. And for those who are interested in learning how to make sunscreens with the different types of SPF, how we calculate that, what ingredients go in it, you all can contact me on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box. Thank you so much everyone.